This is LeetCode question number 122. Best time to buy and sell stock, the version 2. This is easy question. Let's get into it. Say you have an array for which the nth element is the price of given stock on a day I. Design an algorithm to find the maximum profit. You may complete as many transactions as you like. Buy one and sell one shares the stock multiple times. Note, you may not engage in multiple transactions at the same time. You must sell the stock before you buy again. Okay, let's check with example 1. Input is 715364. How we can solve it? Yeah, that's right. It's very simple. Just check ith with I plus 1, and then if I plus 1 is bigger, just subtract I plus 1 minus I, and then add to the sum. In this case, this one is smaller scale, this one is bigger, and 5 minus 1 is 4, and 3 is smaller scale, 3 is 6 bigger, 6 minus 3, 3. And then this one is smaller scale. And finally, 4 plus 3 is 7. So after 7. It's very simple, right? Okay, let's calculate it. Okay, first profit. Sum is 0. And then iteration for I in range. Length price minus 1. Because I will compare I with I plus 1 index. So if price I is smaller than price I plus 1, at that time I will add some plus price I plus 1 minus price I and return sum. At this time complexity is there are one iteration, linear time with constant space because there are no extra data structure. Thank you.